one of the most common household plants. It is said that just like its name and the look of its leaves. Hello friends, it's Greeny Pots. Welcome to my channel. Money plant contributes in increasing the finances of the house. So today I am going to show you different style of growing money plant. Please watch the video till the end and stay connected with Greeny Pots. It has beautiful heart-shaped green leaves. The best part, it is easier to grow in soil as well as in water. You can keep it from a tiny pot to bigger pot with moss stick. It is an excellent indoor plant to decorate your house. If you are growing money plant in water, make sure to change water 2 to 3 times in a week. Money plant purifies air, so we can keep it in the bedroom or living room. Vastu experts suggest keeping a money plant in the house helps remove financial obstacles and brings prosperity and good luck. It is one of the commonly used lucky plant at home. It is also a perfect choice to give a gift to your loved ones. It is said that it brings in love and happiness in the family. A healthy green money plant will spread good energy around the house. The good part of a money plant is that though it requires adequate watering, it can still survive on days when you forget to water it. Still make sure to water it twice in peak summers and avoid the direct sunlight. Keep your plant in the place where it gets indirect sunlight. Shower to your plant regularly so that all the dust will go off the plant and leaves look fresh and green. The money plant is the plant that can grow in any season and does not require any specific climatic conditions. Money plants have a high survival rate and longevity when compared to other house plants. The wild money plant can generally grow up to 50 to 60 feet tall. When you plant it at home, they can only grow up to as long as 10 to 15 feet only. It grows from a cutting. Take a sharp knife or a pair of scissors and place the cutting in water to allow it start root development. It can be propagated very easily from stem cuttings in water. Do not use garden soil as it will remain too wet, causing the cutting to rot before rooting. It is better to root in water. It develops roots that are best adapted to get what they need from water rather than from soil. It's always a good idea to be surrounded by greenery as it does not bring various healthy benefits but positively in the lives of the people. Please keep a money plant in your house for health benefits, prosperity and good luck. If you enjoyed the video, please do subscribe my channel Greeny Pots and share the video with your friends and relatives. Tell us in the comment section below if you know any other amazing facts about the money plant. Stay safe, have fun. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.